Do y'all see that bird right there? He is so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see him. Try to get closer. As close as I can get, y'all. Dang. He is so pretty. And he's just chilling. Shit, I can't even see him. I'm scared to move because if I move, he gonna move. Y'all see him? This for the bird watchers. That's what they do, I think. But they have zoom in lens. What kind of bird is that? Cause you can't even see him. You have to look really hard to see him. We can see him good, but let me see if I angle it a different way. I don't even see him on camera. Is this a ghost bird? Because I don't see him. You see him? He gone now. Y'all see my plants? My bell pepper. Oh, bell pepper, basil. That's just a regular plant right there. That's garlic and some parsley. Look at that cat down there. That's tomatoes right there. This is the cucumber plant. It look kind of sick, but it's the plant. I just started the watermelon down there. I just started that. That's the onion. That bed right there is spinach. And I got onions right there, and I got some more cucumbers starting on the other side. So that's the onions again. That's in dirt. That's in water. That's for you bird watchers. Happy Sunday, you guys. Y'all better start planning y'all some stuff now. You don't have to buy it at the store, but hey, that save money. Cucumbers and celery. You can eat, not celery, but spinach. You can eat spinach and survive. And you got the onion and the garlic and all that to make just a quick little something. And bell pepper. Yes, ma'am. But I'm up out of here. Happy Sunday, my lovelies. Deuces.